Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study with Noor, and in today's video I am going to teach you about evaporation. Evaporation is a process in which a liquid changes into gas vapors below its boiling point. Now I will explain you this definition. As we know, these are the constant boiling point values which have been fixed by the scientists. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and alcohol boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. But still, even after knowing these constant values, a thing starts to evaporate, water starts to evaporate at 75 degrees Celsius. In this case, we will not call it boiling. In this case, it will be called as evaporation. Another example is that if alcohol boils at 78 degrees Celsius and it starts to boil at 45 degrees Celsius, in this case, it is not boiling, it is evaporating. Basically, evaporating and boiling point, we can say the concept of these things are same. But the difference is only that they start to boil at a certain below point. That type of boiling is actually evaporation. Below its boiling point, below the constant term. Now let's explain this with an example. For example, just suppose this is a plain surface. Plain surface. And over here there is water. Spread it all over. Over here there is a sun. We have got a sun over here, water is over here, plain surface is over here. And what starts to happen, like this water rises up in the form of vapors because of the rays of sun falling on it, rays, high temperature, heat. As the rays of the sun reach the surface, the plain surface, the water starts to rise up in the form of vapors. Just suppose it at 75 degrees Celsius, not at 100 degrees Celsius. So in this case, this process is known as evaporation because it is changing into liquid, from liquid to gas at 75 degrees Celsius below its boiling point. So this is evaporation basically. Another example is that, for example, this is a stove. Stove. And you have got a pan over here. In it there is water. Water is being constantly heated over here. And what actually happens is the water starts to convert in vapor form and starts to rise up. In this case, the water, just suppose it as like water is evaporating at 65 degrees Celsius instead of 100, its constant value. So this evaporation, this is known as evaporation, like water is boiling at 65 degrees Celsius. This is evaporation because it is below its boiling point. I hope you have got this concept clearly. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. And make sure to like my video, press the bell icon to get the latest updates, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, thank you, take care, bye bye.